Well, welcome to Little Creek Bee Ranch. This is what I like to do when I don't have anything else to do. And these are dead out boxes, and the boxes and frames have got to be reclaimed. And there's lots of damaged frames and yucky frames and stuff that can be scraped and cleaned and reclaimed. But I'm giving you tips, okay? It's the little things that matter. So here's a bunch of frames that got to be cleaned, washed off, scrape clean, all that mucky stuff. And then there's a hive tool. You can set your table on some PVC pipes, cut them, maybe 18 inches, and it raises the table up so your back doesn't hurt so bad. And this dude right here, this is a huge tip. This is the old traditional paint can opener. And see that tip right there? It was wide, it's wide in the store when you get it. See how narrow it is? I ground it down. And that tip of that dude fits, let's see if I can stand up, fits right down there in the bottom of that channel. Cleans that out real good. It's a grooved bottom. I like grooved bottoms. And it also, the tip of the paint can opener also is good at reaching in and flicking out cocoons and worms so you're not digging with it with your hands. Really fast. Boom, boom, boom. And you can reclaim some of this wax rather than ripping it all out. Try to save as much as I can. But out of all the tips that I've given, this is one of the huge ones. See if I can reposition. Get where it's white. Just a traditional can opener, paint can opener. And the sides will be flared. Grind them down that they can fit in the bottom of these grooved bottoms. And it cleans it out nice and quick, and it'll help flick out to cocoons when you get cocoons going in there. I don't dig with my fingers for cocoons. I'll just scrape it really fast. Boom, 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 boom. Handwork, just tips, giving you ideas and tips. But there's a whole bunch of equipment that's got to be washed and cleaned and reclaimed. Oh, I'm so excited. This is the mucking out the barns part of beekeeping. Nobody likes this part. But that dude right there, oh yeah, that's a huge tip. See ya.